Let's take a journey to phase 2. So we're currently at the amenity center. Let's show you production. And what we're finding right now with the builder is that we can't negotiate like we were about a month ago. They're being very tight and not giving us the incentives that they were prior because they're selling so much. The market has basically caught fire in the last, let's say, month right now, and we're finding this on all sites. Doesn't matter if it's at the Esplanade, Verdana Village, Timber Creek, any of the other sites that we're dealing with. It's all the same. They're pushing back. So look at this site, how much homes they built. So we're on Hinckley right now. We actually just sold one here a few days ago, but we can't write the contract because they sold too many houses in a week, so we gotta wait until next week to sign it up. But we did lock it in, thankfully. And what's happening is, for Lennar specifically, is they're not reserving lots anymore officially. Why? Because they're selling so much. So this is Pulte on the left and then Lennar on the right. But just look at this community already. It's being built up so quickly. Cedar Mill is starting down this way as well. This Gentry here had terrible, not Gentry, but the street after had terrible lots here. We'll go down for a quick ride. We have to probably pull a U-turn. So Pulte on the left. This is actually a really nice lot. We had a client that's looking for 1880. We missed it. Actually, these are the back-to-back Lennars. So the left side's all in the preserve, which is great. Then the right side was a house backed onto each other, which is not ideal. But look how nice this preserves are. Actually, we just sold, did we sell one of these? No, this is Pulte. But we're looking at one of these lots now. It's 1872. Kind of see here, they kind of split this up into phases. So that's the back end. So they're hammering through this first phase of this community, and now they got the back end here. And again, this is going to be 1,200 houses like phase or pod 1, where we live now in phase 1. I think we can. Is this road? Yeah, we got it paved. You can see they're moving right along here. There's another little lake here as well. I don't think I've been down this way yet. We just sold a house on this street, like I was mentioning. Backed onto this nice preserve here. It's not a marsh or anything, it's an actual subtropic forest, which is nice backyard view. Also, I mean, the back end there, that's where all the villas are gonna be. We'll go down this way. But the villas, they sold 8 last week, and there's nothing to sell this week, which is kind of horrible because I got a client that wants to buy 3 of them. So this is what's happening right now, is that we're going to be fighting for pricing. You're going to see seller incentives going down, clearly prices going up, commissions for realtors going down as well. We're going into a heated market. That's why we just bought an investment property, and we're going to start building. I know I sound like an echo chamber with the same script basically, but that's exactly what we're doing here. We're going to Hanley here. So look at this, all complete. And this is Lennar on both ends, both sides of the street. So on the right here is going to be all the villas. You can just kind of see. Strangely enough, not rentals. I couldn't believe how, like, a lot of these villas, we thought they were going to be rentals. They're actually lived-in houses. Why? Because on MLS, there's nothing for lease. This is backed onto Publix. This is not so bad on this end, but when you're on this end, clearly you don't want that in the back of your backyard. This was a great lot as well. We had opportunities to buy here for clients. We missed the boat a few times. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna be back onto Parksville. And this leads us back into phase 1. How much fun is this thing? You can see why this brought Italy back after World War II. Very quick, easy to drive. And it's quick and fun. A lot of homes are closed now. It's around 6 p.m. Yay, 47. Balmy. So let's go. Shall we go? This is phase 1. It's been completed for a while. What we love about this area too is the driveways, the length of the driveways. If you kind of look at, when you're looking straight down this road here, you kind of see the houses are pushed out of sight. One of the only communities that are like this. This is Kingmont here. This is where I live off of this road. This house on the left was for sale for quite a bit. I don't know now if they've leased it out or it's sold. Saw some action on the weekend. This is our Killington Court.